Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cordless vacuum for hardwood floors that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, the MBYLO Cordless Vacuum Cleaner brings a powerhouse of features designed for those who want the most out of their clean. With its 450-watt upgraded motor and a whopping 40 kPa suction power, this vacuum is perfect for hardwood floors, carpets, tiles, and pet hair. Its standout feature is the 50-minute runtime, giving you uninterrupted cleaning sessions, paired with a detachable battery that can be charged separately for added convenience. The V-shaped roller design prevents tangling and protects delicate wood floors, making it an excellent choice for pet owners. Design-wise, the MBYLO vacuum features a sleek, polished finish and an ultra-clear LED color stream that displays battery level, suction mode, and maintenance alerts. The 11-level filtration system, including an H13 HEPA cartridge, ensures 99.99% dust filtration for cleaner air. At just 6 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver around tight spaces and corners. The large 1.5-liter dustbin means fewer trips to empty it out, which is a huge plus for those tackling larger messes. While the MBYLO cordless vacuum excels in power and filtration, it's worth noting that its price is not readily available, which could make comparison shopping a bit more difficult. Additionally, the battery charging time is on the longer side at 5 hours. However, if you're looking for a vacuum that combines power, runtime, and advanced filtration in one package, the MBYLO offers great value for those with demanding cleaning needs. At number 4, we have the TruCozy Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, an 8-in-1 powerhouse designed for versatility and convenience. This lightweight vacuum, tipping the scales at just 3.3 pounds, is perfect for those who need a maneuverable option for daily cleaning. The LED display is a nice touch, allowing you to monitor suction modes and battery life at a glance. Its V-shaped detangle floor brush effectively lifts dirt and hair from carpets and hardwood floors without tangling, making it a strong contender for pet owners. Performance-wise, the TruCozy delivers up to 45 minutes of runtime on its energy-saving mode, powered by a 7x 2200 mAh rechargeable battery pack. The vacuum features 5-stage filtration, capturing 99.99% of dust particles as small as 0.1 microns to ensure cleaner air in your home. The inclusion of multiple attachments, such as a crevice tool and sofa brush, makes this vacuum incredibly versatile for cleaning furniture, curtains, car interiors, and hard-to-reach spots. The 6 LED lights on the floor brush are a game-changer for spotting hidden debris under furniture. While it's packed with features, the TruCozy does have its drawbacks. The battery charging time is relatively long at 5 hours, and its suction power is slightly less robust compared to higher-end models. Additionally, its price is not readily available, which may deter some buyers. However, for those looking for an affordable, lightweight, and highly versatile vacuum for everyday use, the TruCozy provides excellent functionality without breaking the bank. Coming in at number 3 is the Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, which strikes a great balance between extended runtime, advanced filtration, and ease of use. With up to 50 minutes of runtime in eco mode, this vacuum is perfect for those who need a reliable option for cleaning large areas without frequent recharges. Its anti-tangled brush design is a standout feature, making it an excellent choice for homes with pets. The vacuum is lightweight and flexible, capable of lying 180 degrees flat to reach under furniture, and includes LED lights to illuminate hidden dust. The Levoit vacuum boasts a 5-stage filtration system, capturing 99.9% of particles as small as 0.3 microns for cleaner air emissions. It's also equipped with a large dustbin that empties with just one click, making maintenance quick and hassle-free. With its 3 adjustable suction modes, it's versatile enough to handle hardwood floors, low-pile carpets, furniture, and even car interiors. The included 2-in-1 pet tool and crevice tool further elevate its usability, allowing you to tackle tricky spots with ease. While the Levoit excels in runtime and filtration, its suction power is slightly less robust compared to premium models in this list. Additionally, its turbo mode runtime is limited to just 12 minutes. However, for its price point of $159.97, the Levoit offers exceptional value and is ideal for homes with pets and those who prioritize air quality and extended runtime. Sliding into second place is the Shark iX141 Pet Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum stands out for its hypervelocity suction, delivering exceptional cleaning performance on both hardwood floors and carpets. With 40 minutes of runtime and a removable handheld vacuum, it's highly versatile for tackling pet hair, upholstery, and tight spaces. The included crevice tool and pet multi-tool further enhance its functionality, making it a fantastic choice for pet owners. The Shark vacuum's build quality is top-notch, featuring an ergonomic design and LED headlights that illuminate debris in dimly lit areas. Its bristle brush roll ensures deep cleaning on carpets, while the XL dust cup with clean touch dirt ejector makes emptying the vacuum mess-free. The low-profile design allows you to clean under furniture easily, and the freestanding storage feature is a convenient bonus. At 6.89 pounds, it's slightly heavier than some competitors, but still easy to maneuver. While the Shark iX141 delivers premium features, its runtime is shorter compared to some other models on this list, and its suction power is less robust than higher-end vacuums. Additionally, charging takes about 240 minutes, which is longer than some competitors. Priced at $179 personally, it's on the higher end. But for pet owners looking for a reliable and versatile vacuum with solid performance, the Shark iX141 is worth the investment. Claiming the top spot on our list is the Bissell CleanView XR Pet 300-watt cordless vacuum, a true powerhouse for homeowners with pets and hardwood floors. This vacuum features a 300-watt motor that is 60% more powerful than the Shark iX141, delivering exceptional suction for deep cleaning tasks. Its fur brush technology is specifically designed for pet hair pickup on upholstery, stairs, cars, and more, making it the ultimate choice for pet owners. With up to 40 minutes of runtime and a removable lithium-ion battery, it combines convenience with power. The Bissell CleanView XR boasts a lightweight design at just 5.9 pounds, making it easy to carry around the house. Its 3 cleaning modes allow you to customize your cleaning experience based on the surface and mess type. The vacuum includes a wall mount for easy storage and comes with essential tools like a crevice tool, dusting brush, and charger. One standout feature is Bissell's commitment to supporting homeless pets through their Pet Foundation, giving every purchase a meaningful impact. While the CleanView XR is a strong performer, its dustbin capacity is slightly smaller at 0.3 liters compared to other models. Additionally, while it's powerful, it lacks advanced filtration capabilities, like some higher-end vacuums. Priced at $157.49, it offers incredible value for its features and is the perfect choice for anyone looking for a lightweight, pet-friendly vacuum that delivers exceptional performance on hardwood floors. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.